Welcome dear student in Pharmaceutical Chemistry 2. Today we are going to deal with antiarrhythmic agent. This is the cardiovascular drugs. Myself Mrs. Urmila Ravindra Gaudi, MPharm in Quality Assurance Techniques and lecturer in KK Institute of Pharmacy, Sandori, Nasik. Now let's start with learning objective. After watching this video, student will able to understand the antiarrhythmic agent, to classify antiarrhythmic agent, to give nomenclature to the antiarrhythmic agents, to recognize the antiarrhythmic agent according to their structure, chemical name, physicochemical property, with storage stability condition, uses, official preparations and the brand names. Now let's start with cardiac arrhythmia. Cardiac arrhythmia means disturbance in cardiac rhythm, that means heartbeat. The arrhythmias are caused by disturbance in conduction through myocardial tissue or by disorder of impulse formation. The agents which are used to correct cardiac arrhythmias are called antiarrhythmic agents. The cardiac arrhythmias may be due to disorder in pacemaker functions of sinoatrial node. This result into tachycardia, atrial fibrillation, ventricular fibrillation and atrial flutter. Hence, antiarrhythmic agents are called antidysarrhythmic agents or antifibrillatory drugs. Now let's start with classification. Antiarrhythmic agent may be classified on the basis of their mechanical action. First, membrane stabilizing agent. For example, quinidine, procainamide, phenytoin. Beta adrenergic blocker, for example, propranolol. Third, drug that prolong duration of action potential, for example, brutalium. And fourth, calcium channel blockers, for example, verapamil and diltiazem. Now let's start with individual monograph. First drug is quinidine. It is an alkaloid which is obtained from bark of various species of cinchona. It is a dextrorotatory stereoisomer, means distereoisomers of quinine. Physical property: its sulfate salt has white needle-like crystals. It is odorless and has bitter taste. It is sparingly soluble in water but soluble in alcohol. Chemical property: when it is treated with bromine water and then ammonia solution is added, it produces emerald green color. When dilute sulfuric acid is added to this solution, it gives strong blue fluorescence. Now stability and storage condition. It darkens on exposure to light and hence it is stored in tightly closed light resistant container. Uses: it is used for the treatment and prophylaxis of paroxysmal ventricular tachycardia, cardiac arrhythmias including atrial fibrillation, atrial flutter and premature systoles, and extrasystolic atrial tachycardia. Second use: in thyrotoxicosis in which fibrillation persists after thyroidectomy. Then to maintain sinus rhythm and as an alternative to quinine to treat malaria. Official preparation: it is available in the form of quinidine tablet and the brand names are Phenibam and Netcardil. Now next drug is procainamide. This is the structure of procainamide, in which benzamide is a parent structure and which is attached to diethylamino ethyl group. Therefore chemical name is 4-amino N2-diethylamino ethyl benzamide. Property: its hydrochloride salt occurs as a white or yellowish white crystalline powder which is odorless and hygroscopic. It is very easily soluble in water, freely soluble in alcohol. Stability and storage condition: it is stable in air but is hygroscopic, hence it is stored in tightly closed container. Uses: it is used for the treatment and prophylaxis of paroxysmal ventricular tachycardia, cardiac arrhythmias including atrial fibrillation, atrial flutter and premature systole, and extrasystolic atrial tachycardia. And it is also used to maintain sinus rhythm. Storage: dosage form: it is available in the form of procainamide tablet and procainamide injection, and the brand name is Pronestil. Thank you, dear student, for attending the session. Thank you.